Assalamu alaikum, dear viewers. This oven customer has sent to repair. There are two problem. One problem is for door, and second problem is sometimes it's too hot, sometimes it's not hot. So let's see how to fix it. So dear viewers, this is the door. It's opened. This door left side and right side both of side has broken. So customer they cannot use it. And second problem, there's say thermostat. This thermostat is not working, so that's why it's sometimes too hot, sometimes not hot. So let me remove the back cover. So dear viewers, after remove the back cover, see this is the door lock. So it's broken, so I'll fix there one screw. Then after that I'll fix this spring also. So dear viewers, I fixed the screws and spring both of. So now it's looks good. Yeah, door can close. It's a glass door, so it's nice. So let's see second problem. This thermostat, temperature controller, thermostat. This thermostat very easy to change. See this new thermostat. To change the thermostat, there are two screws. Just remove the two screws, and there are two connector, one in, one out. Okay, so I'll change the thermostat. Then it will be back. So dear viewers, after I've changed, so let's see, plug it on. So see its door also looks good, and I have cleaned also inside little bit. This selector, this also selector. So let me turn it on. So it looks good. So that's it. If it is too hot and sometimes it's not hot, temperature is not controlled, just you change the thermostat. So it's inside is hot. So dear viewers, I have cleaned little bit. So it looks nice. There is a black stain. That stain will not go. This will not go. But I have cleaned little bit to looks nice.